In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Snap to Grid in OneNote. Working in OneNote becomes much easier when you understand how elements behave on the page, especially when you're arranging text, images, or shapes. One feature that plays a big role in layout control is Snap to Grid. While it can be very helpful for keeping everything neatly aligned, there are times when you may want more freedom in how you position your content. To get started, open OneNote and go to any page where you already have text or images. When Snap to Grid is turned on, you'll notice that as you move an object, it doesn't glide smoothly. Instead, it jumps slightly and aligns itself to invisible grid points on the page. This makes it easier to keep everything lined up, and for many users, it's actually a preferred way of organizing content. However, there are situations where precise alignment to a grid can feel limiting. If you want to temporarily move an item freely without turning off the feature completely, there's a quick and simple way to do it. As you click and drag an object, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding this key, you'll immediately notice that the movement becomes much smoother, allowing you to position the item exactly where you want it without snapping into place. Once you've finished adjusting the position, simply release the mouse button and then let go of the Alt key. This gives you a fast and flexible way to make small, precise adjustments whenever needed, without changing your overall settings. If you decide that you no longer want Snap to Grid enabled at all, you can also turn it off completely. To do this, go to the Draw tab at the top of OneNote. From there, find the Shapes options and look for the Snap to Grid setting. Click on it to disable the feature. After turning it off, try moving an image again. You'll notice that it now moves freely across the page without needing to hold any keys. This gives you full control over placement at all times. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to both temporarily and permanently turn off Snap to Grid in OneNote, depending on what works best for your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.